So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This lesson also available in the channel FSTM quiz. So we continue on how to beautify. Okay, this is only the cosmetic part of your programming work. Okay, web development work, whereby you will be incorporating Bootstrap template to make your PHP interface look nicer. So previously, in your exercise, we did a search and insert record, whereby you communicate or you connect from the PHP to your database. So today, we will continue on the part whereby we will make the interface more beautiful. Exercise, we will be using existing Bootstrap template. We call it Bootstrap template to make your interface look nicer as in the screen. Okay, as the example on your screen. Okay, so previously you have a plain dial page. Okay, this time around we will be incorporating the Bootstrap template. Okay, to make your interface look nicer, so visually attractive. As usual, your code, the code is available in the GitHub, and for the purpose of this lesson, you would like to watch the video from desktop, so that you can see the codes. So the main, as usual, our main reference is available in the PDF form, which is available in bit.ly/phpcarrot. So what we are going to do is we will be incorporating the Bootstrap template using the include. Okay, we will be using this include function to include or to incorporate or to import the header line of your codes, of your HTML, and the footer side. Okay, we will incorporating the header and the footer, which will be imported from your Bootstrap template. Okay, so in this exercise, we'll be using include function. Okay, previously we have include connect dbconnect.php. This is how we import. We import from another source or another file, a code from another file. So the template or the Bootstrap template that we are going to use is the sbadmin. Okay, the name is sbadmin. It's available for download. It's a free Bootstrap template, whereby it is also open source. Okay, you can download the sbadmin interface from the site startbootstrap.com. Okay, so I'll be showing you these steps, and then later, if you have any question after I finish showing you or demonstrate the steps, then later you will you may ask your question. So it is free for download. It's available in bootstrap.com/theme/sb-admin2. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, so this is the interface of our Bootstrap template, whereby you have the sidebar, and we also have the navigation bar. Okay, so we have the sidebar and the navigation bar. So here we have the content part. So in order to incorporate this theme, we need to download. Okay, we need to download the template. Okay, we need to download the Bootstrap template. So the Bootstrap template will make your interface responsive. Okay, what's the meaning of responsive? Whereby you can display your page in the mobile phone or in the desktop. It will suit or it will fit accordingly. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how to download from the theme site. which is this one, startbootstrap.com. Okay, I will download from this theme site. So I will download from this theme site. Here you have the download button. And it will be downloaded as a zip file. Okay, it will be downloaded as zip file. Let me zoom it for you. So we have this zip file. Okay, we have this zip file. So we will unzip this inside your Laragon/www. Okay, we will unzip this inside your Laragon/www. So the file is finished download. You may refer to your download folder. Okay, right click this and copy or cut and put it inside your project folder. We have Laragon, sorry, it's in C, Laragon, www, and our web folder or project folder is new system 2. This is my project folder, new system 2. So inside the folder new system 2, you have the DB Connect, form insert, listing, and search. Okay, you have here the DB Connect, form insert, and listing, search, and .php. Okay, and from this zip file, this is the zip file that you have downloaded. Then you copy and paste inside the Laragon www new system 2. Make sure to unzip here, right click, extract here. So you right click and extract here. Then you have the file the folder start bootstrap SB admin. So this is your folder. So what I'm going to do is, okay, this is the folder. Start bootstrap SB admin. So what I'm going to do is simply copy these files, blank, this file, blank. This is the sample of your template, blank. You just copy blank, CSS, IMG, JS, and this CSS. CSS is your CSS library. This is IMG, JS, and you have this blank format of your template. So basically, blank is only a HTML page. It's only a HTML page. Then later I will show you how to adjust this blank template to be incorporated inside your file, such as the form insert or the search.php. Just copy this CSS, IMG, JS, SCSS, and this blank. Copy. And then you put it inside your own web project. Okay, you put it inside new system 2. Okay, you put it inside this new system 2. Then you have with your PHP file, such as the DB Connect, form insert, listing.php, search.php, and this folder CSS, IMG, JS, SCSS. So you have it inside your project folder, new system 2. Okay, you put it inside this new system too. Okay, so what we are going to do is to edit this blank file. Okay, this blank file, and I would like to separate these files into header and footer. Okay, into header and footer, so that later we can call your header from our form insert, and also we can call the footer from the form insert or listing or search.php. So this is how we will incorporate the template. This is how we going to incorporate the template. So the blank file is actually the template. Okay, our template. Okay, we will open the Sublime, and I will show the blank template for you. Open folder, file, open folder. Then we have our new system 2. Select folder. And we have our blank.html here. Open our blank.html inside your Sublime. Okay, open inside your Sublime. So here you can see that you have the blank.html. It consists of what we call as, oh, we need also vendor. Oh, vendor. Okay, again, what you need to copy inside your folder, your project folder, is your CSS folder, img, js, scss, and the vendor file. The vendor folder. Vendor, scss, js, img, and css. So where you can get this folder, you may have it from your template folder. You can copy from your template folder. And this blank HTML, blank.html. So what's available inside the blank.html is your template. Okay, the template. So you can view your template. I'll show you the template. So this is your template. This is your blank template. Okay, so you have the sidebar, you have the navigation bar or the header, and you have the content. This is your content. This is where you will put your content inside this blank page container. Inside this blank page container. So this is where you will put your form insert, or this is where you can put your search. So this is where you put this is where your project will show up. Okay, this is where your project will display. So additionally, you will be having your what we call is toolbar or the navigation bar. So the sidebar, and you have the sidebar. So this is generated from your free SB admin template. So this is, if you don't prefer this template, you might want to search for another template. So later you can add another template, no problem, no worry. But currently I will be implementing SB admin template. Okay, we'll be implementing SB admin template. Okay, so So this is your template, your new template, because previously what you have is, sorry, I need to start the Laragon. Localhost / new system. So because previously what you have is this, a very simple plain interface. Okay, so how can you have your interface incorporated in something like this inside your SB admin template? Okay, so we have the blank page or the template file provided in the theme. Okay, this is what you have inside the blank.html file. Make sure to put your blank.html file that you get from the template file, copy inside, copy into your folder, copy into your project folder. This is your project folder. So what you need to have CSS file folder, the CSS folder, the IMG folder, the JS folder, the SCSS folder, and the vendor folder. So this folder consists of your materials or library for your template, and also the blank.html file. So make sure to copy from your template file as you downloaded the zip. Okay, you need to copy. It's not simply create the CSS file. You need to copy the CSS file from the, because it consists of your library for the template. So you have the IMG, you have the JS. JS is JavaScript. SCSS is for your navigation cards. This is all your library, CSS library. And then you have your vendor file. So vendor is basically for your font awesome, something like this. So from your blank.html, what we're going to do is we need to split this blank.html file into the navigation bar or the header and the footer, header and footer. So we have the header. You need to copy the header starting from, you need to locate the blank page, where you put the blank page, where they put the blank page. Okay, this is the gray area is where you will put your own project or your own interface, blank page. So you have the task search bar, you have the navigation bar, the top navigation bar, and then these are actually HTML file. The blank template is actually a HTML file that will provide interface something like this. This is the SB admin blank template. So I need to locate the blank page whereby you have it in line. Just search Control F. Try to locate the blank page. Page heading. Okay, somewhere here. This is your page heading on line 335. Okay, this is the blank page. This is the tag, the HTML tag that shows the blank page. Okay, the blank page. So what we are going to do is I will provide, or I will copy from line 332 from line 332 to the top of the file, from 332 until the top of the file, you copy, Control C, create new file, put it inside the new file. You have the line 1 until 329. Okay, you have the line 1 till 329. Okay, so this file will be saved as what's the name? Header dot template dot php, something like this. So I will be saving this file, the header file, from line 1 till 329. This is only the case for the SB admin template. Okay, different template, you might have different approach. Inside the new system too, so you make sure you put inside the new system too. Okay, header.template.php. So the .template merely to indicate that this is the template file. Save. And then you have the header.template.php. And the second one is the footer. The footer is containing the code from line 337, from the blank.html. This is from the blank.html page. Again, from the blank.html page. Okay, so you need to copy this template from 337. So this is the footer. This is the footer until the end. Okay, from line, this is the footer from line 337 inside the blank.html template 337 until the end. You need to copy these lines, and we need to create new file, put it inside the new file, and we will save it as footer dot template dot php. So the second file is the footer.template.php. This is the second file, and we need to save it as footer.template.php. footer.template.php, and save it. So next, what I'm going to do is to incorporate the header file and the footer file inside our project file. So let's say you have the form insert. Okay, you have the form insert. Previously you did the form insert last week. I believe you have done it, the form insert. Or maybe you can do the search. Okay, the search .php, the search or listing or whatever it is. Then we put it, we put the PHP code to include the header dot template dot php. So this is how we incorporate the header, and make sure to close the PHP header.template.php. So the second file is the footer. Obviously header is on the top and footer will be in the bottom. So we include to import. Include is to import. Include is to import additional file from outside this current file. Then we have this input. Sorry. We apply in the search.php. Here. So connection established. Okay. So here we have the interface. So this is where you have the footer.template.php. Okay. So we have the footer.template. We have the footer.template.php. 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 We have the header and we have the footer. Okay, we have the header and the footer. Footer.template.php. Footer.template. Sorry, silap je. Footer. Okay, so we have the footer. So my bad. I will rename this to footer. 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 Okay, so if you have the form insert, okay, we show the form insert first. We show the form insert. Where's the form insert? This is the form insert. Okay, this is before you apply the template. Okay, this is before you apply the template. And then open back the form insert file. Form insert. This is our form insert. Oh, sorry. And then we copy from search. So you provide the header, and then header is on top of your file, and the footer is at the bottom. Footer. So you have the header of the template and the footer of your new template. So see this change accordingly. So we have the header, the sidebar. Basically, the sidebar is available inside the header. Okay, the sidebar is the file available inside the header. You may separate. You may split the sidebar to a different file. No problem. You can do it. But currently, I'm just showing you two files: the header and the footer. The header and the footer. So you have the footer here, and we have the header. Header also containing the sidebar. The header also containing the sidebar. You may split later, if you prefer, you may split the sidebar into another file, which maybe you will rename sidebar.template.php or something like this. But currently, I'm using the header and the footer files only. Okay, later you can study the template file from the blank.html. Then maybe you would like to separate into sidebar.template.php, and you have the header, you have the sidebar and the footer. but currently I'm using the header and the footer split into two different files only. So you have the footer, okay, you have the footer and you have the header, okay, incorporated into your program file or PHP file. So you have the header.template.php, which reside in the same folder of your project, and your footer, which reside inside also the same inside your project folder. So this is how you apply your template. But if you see inside your interface, it doesn't match the theme. Okay, it doesn't match the theme because you need to apply what we call as the Bootstrap classes. Okay, the Bootstrap classes. So for instance, we have this insert form. We have this insert form. We need to amend this form so that it will match the Bootstrap theme. So how to do that? We go to form insert, and to apply for Bootstrap template, you need to ask the form to mention the Bootstrap class. So we have here form dash control. Just add this class. It's available inside the Bootstrap template that we include, that we import. So when you have finished calling this class, you refresh, then you see the theme or the text box will try to match your theme. Okay, the similar what we call a GUI. Okay, so how to change this one? So you have to add the form control to each of the text box. Okay, this is the text box. Then you have, okay, the theme applied for you. How about the button? Okay, the button we will be applying the class. This is class available from Bootstrap library. This is class available from Bootstrap library. So just provide the btn. Then we provide the btn, the color. Okay, I would like to implement the color green. So the language for green is a success. So I have this green button. So we have the text box and the button. So this is how we incorporate the Bootstrap theme into your form. Then we have the search form search. Where is it? The search. Okay, the search. This is the footer. Then we change the text box or the search button. Just provide class sama dengan form control. Then you will see some changes inside the display search. Okay, something like this. Okay, this is the text box. Then we have the, what we call this, the button. So I would like to implement the inline form inline. And then we have the button. Just apply the class equals to btn btn dash primary for blue. Inline, form inline. Sorry, form. Okay, then you have the text box and the button. And how to incorporate Bootstrap table? Just go to the table header, Okay, set aside this border. Just provide the class table. Sorry, table. Class table. This is to incorporate the Bootstrap template, the Bootstrap theme. Then you have something like this. So you do if you do search, okay. So we have something like this. So for me, personally, this is a better interface that you can implement to your uh, dull dull website previously. So this is the new interface as compared to your previous one that is something like this. Okay, this is very dull interface. Okay, so this is the better one. Okay, by applying the Bootstrap template, you will have a better interface. So this is how we implement interface. Okay, maybe you will be wondering, can we actually create our own interface or Bootstrap template? Yes, you can. You may do that. You need to download one what we call as apa tu? One tool software, we call it a Bootstrap Studio. If you prefer to create your own template, you may download the Bootstrap Studio. Okay, I'm not sure whether does this have a trial version. I'm not sure. Maybe you can purchase it. Okay, okay, $29. The license is $29. Okay, or if you prefer, if you rather to have your own customized Bootstrap template, you may use Bootstrap Studio. Okay, for easier approach, go to any Bootstrap template, find any Bootstrap template, then you can simply download and apply as shown in the demo previously. So you have this fancier template, UI Kit Pro, something like this. So Pro normally you need to buy lah, pay the fee. This is free, SB Admin 2. That's why I'm using SB Admin 2 because it's free. For any free template, you may download it free. So you decide whether you want to use this. Let's say you want to use this template, this free template. So download the template and apply as previously shown you in the demo. Okay, but you need to try lah and find the blank HTML and study the structure. And then you need to split into header or sidebar or footer, something like that. Okay, you can try later. But for now, you may use the SB admin and apply as I've shown you in the tutorial. So this one is the Malay version, T16 Bootstrap template. T16 Bootstrap template. This tutorial is in Malay. Later I will provide the one in English, the one we recorded currently. So the Malay version is already available in our YouTube channel. I'll provide the link for you in the KLMS.